Effective clinical research project management runs on momentum. Deadlines, documentation, and coordination require deliberate structure to stay moving together. When we speak with coordinators, they tell us the same thing. Timing controls everything. Each step builds on the last, and delays in one area echo through the entire study. The better the framework, the easier the trial. The best managed clinical research projects operate on clarity. Every phase needs specific goals, measurable outcomes, and controlled communication channels. When roles are clearly assigned, teams move efficiently from planning to execution without unnecessary overlap. Mosio delivers that clarity through reliable communication workflows that help research staff organize outreach and scheduling. Coordinators get tools that integrate naturally into existing systems, reducing time lost in fragmented communication. An automated, interactive text messaging solution that improves adherence, engagement, and data collection. Consistency across phases is where clinical research project management either holds together or falls apart. It depends on three things: documentation, real-time updates, and shared visibility. A unified plan allows project leads to track recruitment, monitor progress, and evaluate performance against established benchmarks. Study teams that adopt structured messaging through Mosio see stronger collaboration as a result. Clear, direct communication creates accountability and maintains study integrity. Participants respond faster, and site staff stay synchronized. Every study advances at the pace of its communication. Delays often originate from unclear messages or missed follow-ups. Teams using centralized messaging platforms experience fewer disruptions. Messages reach participants immediately. Updates are logged automatically, and coordination becomes part of the project's natural flow, rather than a separate task. Risk management works the same way. Digital communication platforms reduce risk exposure through improved documentation and real-time traceability. Every interaction leaves an auditable trail that supports regulatory confidence and operational reliability. Mosio's automation features reinforce structured timelines through timed reminders and consistent participant engagement. Teams can shift priorities quickly without losing track of existing commitments, preventing cascading delays and protecting study integrity. REDCap structures the data. Mosio manages the flow of communication. Together, they create an organized environment that minimizes errors and redundancies. Automated notifications replace manual tracking, which means oversight becomes active rather than reactive. Strong clinical research project management comes down to discipline and execution. When communication, scheduling, and documentation align, projects stay ahead of schedule, and every early decision compounds into better outcomes. Hybrid and decentralized trials add another layer of complexity. Coordinators are managing multiple communication channels while keeping study data unified. Mosio functions as the anchor in that transition. Two-way text messaging gives remote participants simple access to coordinators while maintaining compliance, ensuring reliable engagement regardless of study location. Coordinated communication also reinforces team morale. Transparent updates and organized workflows prevent burnout, and success feels tangible when results are tracked and shared across all collaborators. The most effective clinical research project management models integrate automation with human expertise. Every process becomes traceable, compliant, and responsive. Clinical research will always depend on human coordination, and with the right infrastructure, that coordination becomes manageable rather than overwhelming. Over 150 million reminders, alerts, and surveys have been sent with Mosio. Get an instant quote today at mosio.com.